Hi there, Emmanuel here from empowermentteam.org, and today we're going to be looking at how to start affiliate marketing for beginners using video. So with using some video marketing. So I'm going to go through basically what affiliate marketing is. I'll just go through the basics of that and how you can get started, the sort of places you can go to get started, and then how we can use video to actually help us to get started, because most people struggle with traffic in affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you how you can actually use video to actually get you started. Okay, so let's get started then. As an affiliate marketer, you are in essence a middleman. You connect people to products that they need and you get paid for it. Just think of it, that's your job. So you go online and you get people, we call it traffic. You get people, let's just think weight loss, weight loss. So we get people who are maybe overweight and they're looking for a solution, and you find a product that you think is going to fit well with with those types of people. So you're just you're a connector, you're a middleman. Just look at it that way, just to break it down to the absolute sort of essence of what affiliate marketing is all about. So what's the first thing you want to do? The first thing you need to do now is to pick a niche. There's like three really big ones out there. There's the health, there's the wealth, and then there's relationships. It's health, like what I'm talking about, weight loss. The wealth, make money online, and then relationships, how to meet partners and things like that. The niche that I'm personally in, I'm in the wealth niche, make money online, but I'm going to talk about weight loss just for this example of this video. So you want to pick a niche that you really resonate with. Make sure you pick something that you enjoy and you have an interest in, because it's hard to keep making videos about a topic you hate, or that you're just doing it just to make money. So it's got to be something you love. I mean, I really do enjoy marketing. I love it, So if it's weight loss, and say you've potentially lost weight yourself, and maybe you've used a product, then you can sell that with passion. When people just think, well, okay, I don't know, cooking seems to be the in thing at the moment, let me sell a product on it. You might get some sales, but I think passion comes across. People, when they really feel that you can feel things across with video, when they feel that you're really being real and being true, they're more likely to buy off you. So, and it's just easier to keep going, because if you aren't getting any results at the beginning and it's something you don't even like, it's hard to just keep pushing forward. So pick a niche that you already have an interest in, because it will help you. It will help you in the long run. It will help you to keep going when things potentially might get hard. Okay, so once you've done that now, so we picked a niche, now you've got to find a product in that niche that you think fits with your niche. As a beginner, places that I would go, places that most newbies go, is ClickBank, Warrior Plus, or JBZoo. So you can go to those and you can pick something that you think the people you're marketing to will be interested in, but something they'll be interested in buying, and you would also be happy to sell. You remember we said pick something that you think you can actually sell, that you can sell from passion. I actually think you should even buy the product. And so you can look through it properly and think, this is what I like about the product, this is what I don't like about the product. It'll be easier later on to make videos about this product, to review the product and to review similar products like that if you've actually tried it yourself. So I'm going to actually show you now. We're going to go over to ClickBank and I'm going to show you, where you can find products. And if we're sticking with the weight loss niche, I'll show you what you need to do. So let's just shoot over to ClickBank and let's go and have a look. So let's shoot over now. Okay then, so here we are over on ClickBank. So it's easy, it's just clickbank.com, and you can just register, it's for free. And I just want to show you, it's got so many niches that you can be involved in. Arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting, business, e-business, education, fiction, games. There's loads of niches. So whatever your niche that you decide you're going to pick, there'll be a product that you can match up to your niche. So if I went on here and I put weight loss in the search, and these are all the kind of products that came up, you can see how much you're going to make if you promote it. And if you wanted to promote, you just click here and you'll get a link that you're going to use to promote. This is the link you're going to be putting underneath your videos, or the link you're going to be putting in your emails, and we'll talk more about that when we get back to the slides. But I looked down here and I found one that I liked. It was this one here, 1 minute weight loss. And, you can just click on that and it'll take you to the site. I've got the site already loaded. This is the site here. And I just thought, it looks nice. It's clear. Lose the quarantine fat in just a few minutes. No germ gym required. So, you know, it's a very good play on sort of what we're going through at the moment with the COVID-19 and everything. So it's $37. Yeah. So, you know, that's why I think, and you're going to make, how much do you make on that one? Initially, you make $10 of that, but then there's upsells. So you can make up to $120 on a customer, on a prospect. That's why this would be worth selling, you know, because you can make some decent money from each sell from it. Yeah. If the people upgrade and things like that. But what I would do if I was going to promote this though, I would buy the product. I would buy it so I can review it properly. I mean, if weight loss was my niche, I'd probably buy and use it so I can actually talk from authority. Do you know what I mean? But this is where you would come. There's ClickBank. There's the others, the JB Zoo, and there's Warrior Plus that I was talking about. But the quickest and easiest way I think to get started is to come over and use ClickBank. Okay. So I'm going to shoot back now over to the slide. So I'll see you over there. Okay. So, you know, that I've shown you now sort of how you can get a product from ClickBank, you know, in your niche. The next thing you want to be doing now is you want to find a way to deliver value and teach people more about that product you're trying to sell. That's why I think you should buy it. You don't have to buy it, but I think it's good to buy it so you can actually look inside it and you can make better videos. Yeah. Then you want to be sending regular emails to people that get onto your list. So we use something, we call it an autoresponder. You know, it's just a technical term for a way that you can send emails to people. Yeah, you want to get people that come to your videos or whatever, then they get on what we call your list, and then you want to be able to send them videos and to teach people more about this product and how it's going to help them, and you know how it will help them lose weight and how you lose weight with it or whatever, or how other people were using weight, testimonials, all that sort of stuff. You just want to over deliver on the value, and we use email to do that. We use an autoresponder system that just sets the emails up for you. So day one you'll have an email going out telling them more about the product. Day two you might have a video or something telling them more, explaining something. Day three you might have something. So you're just continually sending value. It's important that you have an email system that can deliver value to people, you know, so that when they do see your videos, then they can start to keep in contact with you via the email systems. Yeah. Then the next thing is, now you're at a point now you want to make your videos. Yeah. You want to find the things, the terms and things you think people want to know about in your niche. So that's why it's good to actually be in the niche, because you know then what people struggle with. What do people struggle with in your niche? If it's weight loss, it's losing weight. You know, it's like, you know, I don't know, not eating the right foods or not doing the right types of exercise. You know, and then how would this product help them? How will it like beat some of their negativity, you know, or whatever it is? You know, in my niche, make money online, people struggle with traffic. So you can talk about traffic. People struggle with buying these kind of shiny object type products. So I review some of them sometimes. You know, what you want to do, you want to write down 10 terms that you're going to make your videos about and get to work. You know, that's it. You just start simple, but you get to work. Maybe you follow other people, you see what they're making their videos about. You make similar videos about things like that. You know, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You might get on forums and things like that, weight loss forums, and you think to yourself, okay, what are the things that people really struggle with? That's why it's good to do it in a niche that you really love, because really your target market is going to be you. What did you struggle with? You know, what did I struggle with as an online marketer? I struggled with these things like traffic, with shiny objects and things like that. So that's what I make my videos about, you know. So that's sort of what you should do in your niche, you know. But you just want to start putting them out there. Write down 10 terms. Go to places like Google. Go to YouTube as well and do searches in your niche. If you're going to get a product, yeah, that product, the 1 minute one, yeah, I would make a 1 minute whatever review about the product, because I would have read the book, I would have seen what I like about it, what I don't like about it, you know. But write down your terms and then just start simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Then you want to just get your videos up, upload your videos. Once you've made your videos, you want to upload your videos to YouTube and your email delivery system. So basically you want to put it on YouTube, and then you might write an email to your list like we've done in that autoresponder and tell them you got a video on YouTube. Or if you've got a website, you might write an email and say, listen, there's a video on my website, go and have a look at it. So you're constantly giving value, you're constantly helping people, and then you just keep doing that. Just rinse and repeat over and over again. And what you'll start to find is the more sort of videos you put out there, you'll start to actually start ranking on YouTube. You know, for example, that 1 minute product, yeah, you'll start seeing, if you do 1 minute reviews, 1 minute bonuses, 1 minute pros and cons, whatever, you'll start to see your video rank. You know, and once your videos start to rank, you know, you can then put links, like the affiliate link, you put it underneath the videos. People can click on that, they can get on your list, or they can go to the product and buy it. And that's how we start doing this thing. It's over and over again. You know, it's a continual thing. Yeah. So the last bit is you got to keep going. You know, people want to just put 2 videos up and think, well, it's not working. It's a thing that takes time. That's why you got to do a niche that you're going to love. You should do it out of the love first, and out of the thing of helping others to get to the place that maybe you're at, or whatever, or take people through your journey. You just got to keep going. The more you build your channel, the more people find you, the more products you will sell, and the more commissions you're going to make. Yeah, and the more you will sell, you know. So it's a build up of things. You just have to keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, you know. So listen, if you want to, I hope that helped you. I hope you got some value from that. If you want to learn where I learned a lot of this stuff from, yeah, and you want to get my free, so I've got a free 4-part affiliate marketing course that will teach you all about this stuff, teach you about traffic, teach you about using video, teach you about turning traffic to leads and leads into sales, and doing that on a consistent basis. And you will also get access to my mentor, who is like a video master. He crushes it with video, and he's got a free video as well that he's going to teach you some more stuff. If you want access to all of that, then all you got to do is go to www.empowermentteam.org/SOL, and you get completely free access to that 4-part affiliate marketing video course. And you're going to also get access to my mentor, who is a video master. Yeah, so I hope you got some value from this. I hope this helped you. You know, if it did and you liked it, then please just take a second and just give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to, share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. If you do have any comments, any questions, any bit that didn't make any sense, then please just take a second. Just leave it in the comments box below. If you're enjoying my stuff, then subscribe to the channel, and also tick on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I put some new stuff out there. All right, once again, thanks for listening. Till next time, you take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.